The ocean, a vast, mysterious realm teeming with life. It covers more than 70% of our planet's surface and holds secrets that we are only beginning to uncover. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean is a complex and diverse ecosystem. From the sunlit surface to the deep, dark trenches, it's a world of wonder. The sunlight zone, where most marine life thrives, contrasts sharply with the midnight zone, where darkness reigns and only the hardiest creatures survive. Coral reefs burst with color, home to countless fish. These underwater cities are vital to marine biodiversity, providing shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a myriad of species. Sharks patrol the open waters and strange creatures lurk in the abyss. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, while the deep-sea dwellers remind us of the ocean's unexplored mysteries. For many of us, experiencing the ocean firsthand can be a challenge. The vastness and depth of the ocean make it an inaccessible frontier for most, reserved for the adventurous few who dive beneath the waves. That's where aquariums come in. These institutions bridge the gap between us and the ocean, bringing the wonders of the deep to our doorstep. These incredible places offer a window into the underwater world, allowing us to connect with marine life and learn about their importance. They provide an immersive experience that fosters a deeper appreciation for the ocean. Aquariums inspire awe and curiosity. They captivate visitors of all ages, sparking a sense of wonder and a desire to learn more about the marine environment. They remind us of the beauty and fragility of our oceans. The delicate balance of marine ecosystems is highlighted, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts. And they play a vital role in conservation, educating the public and conducting important research. Through their efforts, aquariums contribute to the preservation of marine life and the health of our oceans. Located in the heart of Key West, Florida, the Key West Aquarium is one such place that offers a unique glimpse into the underwater world. Founded in 1934, it's one of the oldest aquariums in the United States. This historic institution has been a cornerstone of marine education and conservation for nearly a century. More than just a collection of tanks, it's a journey through the diverse marine ecosystems of the Florida Keys. Each exhibit is meticulously designed to replicate the natural habitats of the marine life it houses. Visitors can stroll through recreated mangrove forests, which are vital to the health of coastal ecosystems. Peer into touch tanks filled with sea stars and urchins, offering a hands-on experience that delights both children and adults. And marvel at sharks gliding through their habitat, showcasing the grace and power of these often misunderstood creatures. The aquarium's mission is to educate and inspire visitors about the wonders of the ocean. Through interactive exhibits, educational programs, and special events, it aims to foster a deeper understanding of marine life. Up-close encounters with marine life allow visitors to connect with the ocean in a personal and meaningful way. The Key West Aquarium fosters a sense of stewardship for our oceans, encouraging everyone to take part in the conservation of our precious marine environments. The Key West Aquarium takes visitors on a journey through different marine environments. One moment you might find yourself surrounded by the sights and sounds of a bustling coral reef. The next you could be exploring the shadowy depths of a shipwreck, home to moray eels and lobsters. Each exhibit is carefully designed to replicate the natural habitats of the animals on display. One of the most popular exhibits is the Atlantic Shores exhibit. Here, visitors can come face to face with Atlantic bottlenose dolphins. These intelligent creatures often swim right up to the glass, their playful antics captivating onlookers of all ages. Section 4. Inhabitants of the Deep. Dive into the mysterious and vibrant world beneath the waves, where every corner holds a new wonder waiting to be discovered. The Key West Aquarium is home to a wide variety of marine life, from the familiar to the bizarre. Here you can witness the incredible diversity of the ocean, all within a single location. Slithering through the water you'll find eels, their long, serpentine bodies navigating through crevices. These fascinating creatures are masters of stealth, often hiding in the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Parrotfish, with their dazzling colors and beak-like mouths, graze on algae, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of coral reefs. Their constant grazing helps to keep the reefs clean and vibrant, ensuring that other marine life can thrive. Groupers, masters of camouflage, lurk among the rocks, their large mouths capable of swallowing prey whole. These formidable predators are essential to the balance of the reef ecosystem, keeping populations of smaller fish in check. Sharks, often feared but vitally important to the ocean's balance, glide effortlessly through the water. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems by controlling the populations of other species. Did you know that some sharks lay eggs, while others give birth to live young? This fascinating reproductive diversity is just one of the many wonders of the shark world. And then there are the alligators, ancient reptiles that inhabit both freshwater and saltwater environments. These incredible creatures have been around for millions of years, adapting to a variety of habitats and climates. The Key West Aquarium has a dedicated alligator exhibit where visitors can learn about these fascinating creatures. Here you can observe their behavior up close and gain a deeper understanding of their role in the ecosystem. Did you know that alligators can live for over 50 years? These long-lived reptiles are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in the wild. Section 5. Guardians of the Ocean. Aquariums like the Key West Aquarium play a crucial role in ocean conservation. They serve as research centers, studying marine life and developing strategies to protect endangered species. They also act as rehabilitation centers, rescuing and caring for injured animals before releasing them back into the wild. But perhaps their most important role is as educators. Aquariums teach the public about the importance of ocean conservation and inspire them to take action. Through interactive exhibits, educational programs, and behind-the-scenes tours, they foster a sense of wonder and respect for the marine world. Section 6. Key West Aquarium, more than just a visit. A visit to the Key West Aquarium is more than just a fun day out. It's an opportunity to connect with the ocean and its inhabitants. It's a chance to learn about the challenges facing our oceans and the ways we can help. It's an experience that can stay with you long after you leave, inspiring you to make changes in your own life to protect our blue planet. So the next time you're in Key West, be sure to add the Key West Aquarium to your itinerary. Section 7. Our blue planet, our shared responsibility. The ocean is our lifeblood. It provides us with oxygen, regulates our climate, and sustains countless species, including our own. Yet, our oceans are facing unprecedented threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. It's up to each and every one of us to protect our oceans for future generations. By supporting aquariums, reducing our plastic consumption, and making sustainable seafood choices, we can all make a difference. Let's work together to ensure that the wonders of the ocean continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.